Hi, I'm Fiona Hollands from Teachers College, Columbia University, and I'm going to talk you through the poster LEA Use of Evidence in Budget Decisions. I'm representing a research practice partnership between Teachers College, American University, and Jefferson County Public Schools in Louisville, Kentucky. We, like a lot of SREE participants, subscribe to the hypothesis that use of evidence to inform decisions will lead to better student outcomes. We wanted to assess to what extent evidence is used to inform budget decisions, so we reviewed 55 budget requests submitted by school principals and district office leaders, and we looked for evidence that they used evidence to support the proposed strategies. Around 40% of the requests included no such evidence, while the other 60% did. It is worth noting that 52 of the 55 requests were partially or exclusively for personnel. Cost center heads who submitted budget requests listed between 1 and 24 pieces of evidence to support their proposed strategy. We categorized that evidence in several ways. First, we bucketed the items as external evidence or internal evidence. We found 33 pieces of internal evidence, often in the form of data showing change in student outcomes, and 105 pieces of external evidence, which we categorized by type of publication and research methodology employed. Encouragingly, the most common type of publication was a journal article, so it does appear that practitioners do look at some of that stuff that we write. Less happily, a third of the items used no recognizable research method and only 6% were based on experiments. Finally, we made a judgment about whether each piece of evidence supported the theory of change implicit in the budget request. Less than a third of the 33 internal evidence items supported the theory of change, and just over half of the external resources cited supported or partially supported the budget request's implicit theory of change. And alarmingly, one piece of evidence unequivocally showed that the proposed strategy would actually lead to worse student outcomes. So while it seems those journal articles we write are cited, they may not actually be read. The data certainly raised the question of whether the evidence cited actually influenced the decisions or were merely an afterthought. We offer a number of recommendations which you can read about on the poster, and someday we hope to answer the question of whether budget requests with well-articulated theories of change and supported by evidence lead to better outcomes than those that don't. Thank you for listening.